Hi, my name is Pat. Thank you for having me. Today I'm going to be reading my book, The Most Important Chemistry Terms. A is for acid. Acid is what makes lemon sour. B is for bond. Bonds join atoms together like a mother and child. C is for charge. Charge tells if an atom is positive or negative, like a magnet. D is for density. Density is what makes an object sink or float. E is for electron. Electrons are negative like a frowny face. F is for freezing. Freezing is like what happens to water when it becomes ice or snow. G is for gas. Gas is the invisible matter that is in the air. H is for halogen. Halogens have 7 outer electrons and include chlorine, which is in the pools. I is for ion. Ions are what give atoms charges. J is for joule. A joule is a measure of energy in things like lightning. K is for kilo. Kilo means 1,000. L is for liquid. Liquid is one of the states of matter, like water or soda. M is for mass. Mass is different from weight because it measures the amount of matter. N is for neutron. Neutrons have a neutral charge, like the middle of two ends. O is for octet. Octet is when the atom has 8 negative particles around it. P is for periodic table. The periodic table is a chart with all the elements. Q is for quantitative analysis. Quantitative analysis is looking at facts with numbers. R is for reactant. Reactants are the things you start with in an experiment, like building blocks. S is for science. Science is the study of nature and the world. T is for theory. A theory is a well-proved idea. U is for unit. Units are things like grams and meters that measure matter. V is for volume. Volume is 3D space that makes up matter. W is for water. Water is a liquid used for hydration, bathing, and day-to-day life. X is for xenon. Xenon is an element used to produce UV rays, which makes you tan. Y is for yield. The yield in an equation shows what happens after. Z is for zinc, and zinc is a metal that can also be used as a vitamin. So thank you for listening. This was my story, the most important chemistry terms. Thank you for having me, and have a great rest of your day.